Hey, do you enjoy camping? If you do, then you probably like to pack a little light, right? I mean, nobody wants to pack like a ton of stuff to go camping, especially if it's hot out or it's even cold. You want to be able to pack minimal so you're not spending a whole bunch of time setting up and doing things. I have the perfect little kitchen setup for you. I'm going to show you that right now. But before I do, subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed, like the video, and hit that notification bell. You know every time we have a new video on YouTube, or just like the video if you're watching on Facebook. So let me show you the little kitchen setup that I recommend for some easy camping. All right, guys, so this is the kind of like the kitchen setup that I think is best for taking with you camping, easily packable. This is 1 burner stove. This one is actually made by Gas One. Pick it up out of here. You can see right here, Gas One. Fairly new. Does come in a hard carry case. And you can see here it opens up. Let's get it out. You have a hose so you can hook it to a propane tank, or take this completely out of here and you can buy these bottles of butane fuel, stick it right in there, pops in, self-contained, will close, and then you can cook anything you want on this 1 burner stove. Again, can be hooked to a propane tank if you want, an external tank, but I find that these butane fuels work perfectly fine, so I recommend these. Now, you got to cook on something, right? So, pick this up on Amazon. Malamie Camping Cookware Set. I'm going to open this up, and the first thing you notice, it comes in a carry bag, which is fantastic. If you're camping, you want to keep everything together. And what you get here is you got a cover. We get a little, kind of like a little wooden spoon. You get a fold out spork. So you can lock it into place. You get a little cup, dipping cup. It's like a measuring bowl. These are actually cups. These are 2 drinking cups. Come with it. You get this nice thick soup bowl to cook your soup with fold out handles so that you can put it on your burner, take it off, but when you're not using it, handles fold in perfectly. And then you also get a pan, like a mini frying pan. And the great thing is all this stuff stores within itself when you're not using it. You can fold your cup like that. Put all your stuff away inside of here, including your spork and a lid, or flip it upside down, and all this will fit in your bag, and you can take it with you easily, packed up, and then made of feels like a combination of metal / plastic, but it's obviously metal because you wouldn't be able to burn plastic on a burner. Put all that stuff in there, can fit in your backpack. You have your burner, which you can take with you. Packs easily in storage, and everything you need for your camping trip. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you're watching on YouTube, there is a link to this stuff in the description. If you're watching on Facebook, links in the first comment. And also, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Please like the channel, follow the channel if you're on Facebook, subscribe to the channel if you're on YouTube, like the video, and leave a comment. Hit that notification bell. Hope you guys have enjoyed it. I'll see you next time. Take care.